we're gonna do a little unboxing of what I hope is gonna be the quintessential lightweight carry-on bag. Ooh, I'm excited. It's ridiculous. It's so small, but so amazing. It is made of a polycarbonate 4-layer shell, which means that it's incredibly durable. It's supposed to be crack resistant. And what's nice is that you should be able to take like a magic eraser, just scrub this bag after use, and it'll look like new again. It comes with a little sponge, so after you're done traveling, you can do a wipe down. It is 22.24 inches tall and 15.75 inches wide. In its compressed state, it is 4.33 inches deep. Now, what's crazy is that if you're laying this down on its side, it is slightly deeper than a tube of lipstick, but actually shorter than a can of sparkling water, which is bonkers. Like this, it is 9.06 inches. When you come home and you have to put your bag away, this will slide into your closet. So simple. You've got 4 360-degree spinner wheels and a telescoping handle, plus a built-in TSA lock, which you'll hear me say this again and again, but I think any new bags coming out nowadays should have a built-in TSA lock. I like the handle. It definitely has dimension, and because it's fabric, you get a little bit of a dip, which I imagine when you fully pack it out, you're gonna lose that dip, but the handle is still structured, so you'll always be able to grip it really easily. Ooh, those wheels. Those wheels spin really nicely for how small they are, because I've got other bags that have chunkier wheels, but the other thing about it is that when they're measuring your bag, they're measuring from the top of your handle to the bottom of the wheels. So if you have very big wheels, they are taking up your bag's space. So if you can figure out how to roll smooth on the world's smallest wheels, more power to you. These straps on both sides of the bag keep it securely collapsed with a magnetic closure that snaps incredibly easily. So let's take a look at the inside. I had wondered how this was going to work because it kind of is floppy, but when you open it, it looks like you can pop these up into place because they're nice and hard, and then you take it and you snap. Oh, that's easy. This one's giving me a little guff, so let me try that one and see then if it becomes easier when all of them are done. There we go. So now you've got like a proper bucket. You still have this fabric, which is made of like an Oxford cloth, but it is water resistant. However, if you knock down, then you can feel the resistance there. Okay, so this little strap that holds the bag closed in its compressed state is magnetic. So they also put a magnet in here so that you don't have any floppy bits. So now once we're looking at inside, this is actually a sizable bag. You probably think I'm gassing you up talking about how excited I am about this bucket of a bag. This is something I've been saying I've been wanting to try for a while, because having equal depth means it's hard to put something like shoes in. Let's say I want to pack these shoes. They are thick and chunky. If I put them in this bag here, I still have room to put an entire packing cube over them. This is her opened up, fully extended. I also like how easy it is to bring this back down to its compressed size. Took no time. That was so quick. I just got like unreasonably excited about this. So this is a little personal item with a luggage pass-through. You know what? I have not seen the luggage pass-through that's made out of elastic. And that slips on so nice. On the front, you can see this little circle. On the back of this bag, you have this circle. I kept on thinking, I was like, do I have to press it? And then I tried just putting it here, and it turns out it does snap on. You can see it rotates. Underneath the handle, you have the secret pocket. Then inside, they had what I thought was just a keyring. But according to their website, what they did is they took this and popped each of those through. But now, because you have the touch point there and this touch point here, it's much more secure. To unsnap it, all you have to do is unlock and pull. And how easy is that when you get to your seat? And when I get my bag from the overhead bin, you know people are like rushing to get off the plane, so you don't want to spend a bunch of time messing around. But now we're ready to go. I love that feature. Inside, you've got pocket for your laptop, which has cushioning at the bottom. Oh, and it's suspended. Let's go through a hypothetical scenario. I'm going through TSA. I've had to take my laptop out. I'm done. I'm putting it back in. I just have to put it in the pocket, let it go, and it drops into a protected area. I'm not going to have to worry about that getting broken. And then if I had like a small tablet, I would probably put that on the front. Obviously, it can go into the laptop compartment, but I like the ease of access of having it here. What is that? Is there another secret pocket that's directly under the handle? That's really small. Keys. Oh, with a key ring. Look, let me just tell you, bags that don't have a place for your keys burn my buttons just a tiny bit. So to have a dedicated pocket in a hidden place that is hard to get to because it's under this strap, but also easy enough for you to get to, I love the thoughtfulness of having a pocket dedicated to your keys. Because it's attached, I'm kind of wondering, do you think when you're boarding the plane, do they count this as one bag or two bags? Because I am curious to know if I could take both of these and still have like a little crossbody or a handbag with me for some extra items. So that is my first impression of the Jollying Pebble Pro. Honestly, what a cool concept of the bag. I love that it's bucket capacity to pack. I am excited about the idea of being able to fill up my packing cubes and put them on one side of the bag. I am so excited to travel with this bag. Otherwise, ciao!